Welcome, we're so glad you're here. Many of us struggle to get a good night's sleep. It's a common issue that affects millions of people around the world. We toss and turn, our minds racing with thoughts and worries. The more we try to sleep, the harder it seems to come. If you're tired of feeling exhausted and drained every morning, you're in the right place. Sleep deprivation can affect every aspect of our lives, from our mood to our productivity. Let's explore how to reclaim your sleep and wake up refreshed. We'll dive into techniques and habits that promote restful nights and rejuvenating mornings. We all know how good it feels to wake up after a night of deep sleep. That sense of renewal and energy is priceless. Imagine waking up every morning feeling that way, energized, refreshed, and ready to face the day with a positive mindset. That's the power of good sleep. It can transform your life, making you feel more alive and capable of tackling daily challenges. Together, we'll work towards making that your reality. Through practical advice, relaxation techniques, and a supportive community, we'll help you achieve the restful nights you deserve. So get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey to better sleep. Your path to restful nights and brighter days starts here. Welcome to Restful Nights, where your well-being is our priority. Let's make every night a restful one. Sleep is as vital to our health as eating well and exercising. During sleep, our bodies and minds repair themselves, our muscles rebuild, our energy levels restore, and our brains process the day's events. When we don't get enough sleep, we feel the effects immediately. We become irritable, our focus suffers, and we're more likely to make mistakes. Long-term sleep deprivation can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Insomnia is more than just the occasional bad night's sleep. It's a persistent struggle to fall asleep, stay asleep, or both. This can lead to daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings. If you're experiencing insomnia, it's important to address it. While it can be frustrating, there are steps you can take to improve your sleep quality. Let's explore some practical strategies to overcome insomnia and reclaim your restful nights. One of the most effective ways to combat insomnia is by establishing a regular sleep schedule. This simple yet powerful strategy can significantly improve the quality of your sleep and overall well-being. This means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Consistency is key, as it helps your body develop a natural rhythm. Consistency helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Over time, your body will start to recognize these patterns, and you'll find it easier to drift off to sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Start by choosing a bedtime that allows for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is the optimal amount of rest for most adults, ensuring you wake up feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle the day. Stick to this schedule as closely as possible, even if you don't feel tired initially. It might take some time for your body to adjust, but persistence is crucial. Avoid the temptation to stay up late or sleep in, as this can disrupt your progress. To support your new sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading a book, dimming the lights, or practicing meditation. These calming activities signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Additionally, be mindful of your daily habits. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. These practices can further enhance your sleep quality. Remember, setting a sleep schedule is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself and make adjustments as needed. Over time, you'll find that a consistent sleep routine can lead to better sleep and a more energized, productive day. Section 5. Crafting your bedtime ritual. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Choose activities that help you relax and disconnect from the day's stresses. Dim the lights an hour before bed to promote melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. Avoid stimulating activities like watching TV or working right before sleep. Section 6. Disconnecting for better sleep. The blue light emitted from electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Make it a habit to disconnect from all screens at least an hour before bedtime. Instead of scrolling through social media, engage in relaxing activities like reading, taking a bath, or spending time with loved ones. Section 7. Evening habits for sound slumber. What you consume in the hours leading up to bedtime can significantly impact your sleep quality. Avoid caffeine and nicotine as these stimulants can keep you awake. Heavy meals close to bedtime can also disrupt sleep. If you're hungry, opt for a light snack like a banana or a handful of almonds. These foods contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes sleep. Section 8. Finding calm relaxation techniques. Stress and anxiety are common culprits of insomnia. Practicing relaxation techniques before bed can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation are all effective techniques. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Even a few minutes of relaxation can make a significant difference in your sleep quality. Section 9. Sweet dreams await. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of creating a peaceful and inviting sleep environment. A good night's sleep is essential for your overall well-being and can significantly impact your daily life. Remember, improving your sleep takes time and effort. It's not just about going to bed early, it's about creating a routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This can include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some light stretching exercises. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Maybe you managed to fall asleep a little faster, or perhaps you woke up feeling more refreshed than usual. These are all signs that you're on the right track. Keeping a sleep journal can help you track your progress and identify patterns that work best for you. If you consistently apply these tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying restful nights and waking up refreshed. Now it's your turn. Take control of your sleep environment by making small adjustments like dimming the lights an hour before bed or using a white noise machine to block out distractions. Try these tips and see how they impact your sleep. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Maybe it's a specific type of pillow, or perhaps it's the temperature of your room. Everyone is different, so it's important to find your unique sleep formula. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others who are also looking to improve their sleep. Let's create a community where we can support each other and share valuable insights. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Sweet dreams. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, ensuring you never miss out on new strategies to enhance your well-being. Sweet dreams and good night.